Hello and welcome to another video from Natasha Lee. Continuing with my nail art basics, this week I'm going to show you how to produce easy hearts just in time for Valentine's. Every few weeks I'll be bringing you one of these videos to help all of you absolute beginners really fight your fears and start playing with some art. After applying your base and colour coat, get a gold polish and a large dotting tool, and links to all of these products are in the description. And just go in first with one dot and sweep across to the side. So if you imagine you're applying the dot and it was a clock, it would be between 1 and 2 and another one between 10 and 11 o'clock. And you're meeting at the bottom at 6 o'clock. And then I'm going in with a fine detail brush and just adding a little point onto the bottom of the heart. Now you don't have to do this, you can go back in with a finer dotting tool, or if you're really good, you might be able to actually just do it with the dotting tool itself. Now, as you can see on this one here, I went in, was able to flick at the base, and we got a nice point on that heart, and I didn't have to go back in with a brush. You can try this out in a nail pot first to perfect your technique. But as you can see, you have quite a bit of polish on the dotting tool, and that's to make sure you've got enough to draw down into your heart shape. Imagine like you're trying to draw a V with your dotting tools and polish. And then I'm going to a medium dotting tool, and this is just going to show you that it's exactly the same technique, but it just makes an even smaller, cuter heart. If you wanted to make a wider, sort of chunkier heart, then you would start at the sides and do a more shallow V. The deeper the V, the slimmer the heart. And if you do it a bit wider, then it makes it more cute and chunky and sort of shorter. Once you're happy that you've perfected your technique with a large and a medium dotting tool, why not then try a small dotting tool? And this makes such cute tiny little hearts. Look, it's tiny. The only thing is, with it being a smaller dotting tool, it doesn't hold as much polish on it, so you might need to load up that dotting tool quite well with polish before you go in onto the nail. And then I'm just going to finally add a few little gold dots around the nail to give a really sort of cute Valentine's look. And then it's time to apply your top coat, which gives me a chance to say to you guys, if any of you want to become a channel VIP, head on over to natashalee.vip, where you'll be able to sign up to get behind the scenes access, you can get rewards, and you can get access to ask me questions and join in with polls. In the meantime, once you've applied your top coat, allow it to dry. Once your top coat is dry, go in with your favourite cuticle oil, and again, these are all listed in the description, and then massage in. And how cute are those? And don't worry if you don't have a dotting tool, there's a link to a video of mine in the top right corner right now that shows you how you can make your own. And now it's time to show you how to achieve the rest of the look. Start by applying your preferred base coat, and for this look I am using the Magpie gel colours, including Pretty Polly. Apply a layer of Pretty Polly nice and evenly to the nails, and try and get as close to those cuticle areas and the eponychium as possible. Don't forget to cap the ends of the nail and then cure in your lamp. Then I'm going in with a no cleanse top coat and applying this to the nail before we're going to cure, but just to say, this one is self-leveling. It does look like it's bumpy and gritty when you first apply it, but once you've applied it, if you leave it, and I've sped this up 4 times for you to see, it self-levels and goes crystal clear and smooth. Then you're going to cure it before taking a silicone tool and some Shelly dust. This is like the unicorn powders. We're going to buff that straight into the top of that nail using the silicone tool. And this is the effect that we use to apply any of our sort of unicorn or fairy dusts. And if you want to make sure it's really smooth and glassy, then the more that you buff, the smoother the effect gets. When you're happy with the final look, apply some top coat to the nail. And this one has glitter in it because I always keep a separate top coat which I use for my glitters and my dusts. That way it doesn't affect when I want to use it on my regular colours. Now for that glitter finger, once you've applied your gel polish and cured it, it has a sticky inhibition layer. We are just going to pat our glitter into that sticky inhibition layer, and once you're happy with it, you're going to lightly brush over it to smooth it down. Now all gel polishes normally have this sticky inhibition layer once you've cured your colour coat, but some are more sticky than others. Using a fan brush, I'm going to lightly brush over the nail to remove any of the excess glitter, before I'm then going to go in with my top coat again and apply it over the glitter and then cure. Depending on the top coat that you use, you may need to apply 2 coats over the glitter to make sure you get a lovely glassy shine rather than a textured finish. Then simply cure in your nail lamp and your look is finished, and you can achieve this look entirely using regular polishes. I do have videos that show you how to apply glitter and dust using normal nail polish too. I hope you've enjoyed this video in my series of nail art basics. If there's any you'd like to see yourself, please leave me a comment down below and I'll do my best to try and film one for you. In the meantime, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all very soon.